Hi friends, welcome back to the big joy of learning with Bijoyji. In this session, we will uncover the magic behind one of the most powerful functions used in worksheets, the Vlookup. Whether you are a beginner or a spreadsheet enthusiast, by the end of this session, you will be equipped with skills to master Vlookup and use it like a professional. Vlookup is one of the most popular and most powerful functions used by almost all worksheet users. Like the lookup function, Vlookup also is used to search for related information by rows. Yes, you heard it right, only by row. It is the hlookup function that is used to search across the first row of the range for a key and return value for a specified cell in column. Both Vlookup and hlookup functions have same syntax, but Vlookup work with vertical tables whereas hlookup function works on horizontal table. As discussed in our previous session, the lookup function will only work properly if data in the search range is sorted by the field of search. Also, the lookup function always keep looking for approximate values and return some value even when the search key is spelled wrongly. So, the user will not be able to know if the exact search key does not exist in the data range, which is very important when we work with data tables. In the lookup function, if the search key is not found, the item used in the lookup will be the value immediately smaller in the range provided. For example, if the data set contains number 1, 3 and 5 and the search key is 2, then 1 will be used for the lookup. By using Vlookup and hlookup functions, we can overcome these issues that the lookup function has. Okay, now let us start understanding how the Vlookup function works. Retrieving the right data with just a few clicks will save a lot of time when you regularly work with massive datasets. Like getting the employee details from the master to the payroll and timesheets, getting item details and customer details from different masters for billing and stores, etc. etc. Vlookup is your hero for sorting these out. Use it intelligently and you can save a lot of hours in your daily work. Let us try it on our example dataset. Here, I will search with the item code a data which should not have duplicate values. The syntax of Vlookup is equal to Vlookup search key range index is sorted, where search key is the value to search for in the first column of the range. Be clear, it will search only the first column of the range. The range is the data table to consider for the search. Index is the index of the column with the return value of the range. The index must always be a positive integer. The last parameter is sorted is an optional input. Choose an option false for exact match, true for approximate match. This is the default if is sorted is unspecified, but it is recommended to keep it false. If is sorted is true, the search field has to be sorted, otherwise the function will return wrong values. True can be replaced with 1 and false can be replaced with 0 in the formula. Let us apply the formula. Equal to Vlookup, we will select the item code the user will select or enter as the search key. Select the full table avoiding the serial number column as the range, because the search column has to be the leftmost column in the range, that is the first column of the range, which is the item code column in our example. Now, to get the item name, we will keep the index as 2 because that is the second column of the search range. We will keep the is sorted value as 0 to check for exact matches. Press the enter key and see the result. To get the other columns, we will add $sign in the appropriate positions and copy to the rows below. If the value in the search key is not found in the first column of the search range, or if the search key is left blank, the function throws an error, value not available, that is #NA error. Basic users who interact with the worksheet might not understand why that error comes, and the worksheet don't look good with this error on it. So, to avoid this, we can use the if_NA function or the if_error function. We used the if_array function in our last session, so we will try the if_NA function here. Enclose the Vlookup function in the if_NA function and give the error message as not found or blank. Now copy the formula to the adjacent columns and change the value of the index to the column number to be returned. Copy to the rows below and you are done. Keep practicing with different examples to understand the function thoroughly. We will unlock the full potential of the Vlookup function with some insider tips and tricks in our coming sessions. This is Bijoy signing off for now. We will catch up with some helpful, interesting topics in our next session soon. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do it now and press on the bell icon to get notified on new releases. If you feel the content of the video is useful to you, please do not forget to like, comment and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for your time and have a big joy of learning.